This is the GSPSCN 10B wiper, and this is for my Nissan Leaf, my Gen 1 2015 Nissan Leaf. Say to make sure to remove the cover before installing. Okay, so to remove the old one, you have to rotate out of the lock, push it that way, and then slide off. The instructions call this particular style on the back of the Gen 1 Leaf the Rock Lock 3. Now inside here there's two little pegs. You'll want those pegs to be towards the inside of this guy when you put it on. So you slide this guy in, have the post in there, slide it back, and it's in place. It's a very sunny day today, so I'm going to make a little bit of artificial rain for you to see the wiping pattern. Okay, so it went all the way up and over and down. Basically the entire 10-inch width here is clear of water. And here is the inside view.